Good morning, dear students. Before we start today's session, prepositions of place, let us recollect previous session. What did you learn in the previous session? I still remember you learned something about prepositions of moment in the previous session, and what is preposition? What are the frequently used prepositions of moment? Shall we recollect? Yes. What is preposition? Prepositions are structural words. We commonly use prepositions to show a relationship in space or time, or a logical relationship between two or more people, places or things. Next one, prepositions of moment. What is prepositions of moment? Prepositions of moment show a movement from one place to another place. These prepositions are always describe movement, and we usually use them with the verbs of action, with the verbs of motion. That's why we call it prepositions of movement. So what are the frequently or what are the commonly used prepositions of movement? Above, over, above, off, across, through, to, up, around. These are the commonly used prepositions of moment. In today's session, let us concentrate on prepositions of place. What is prepositions of place? Prepositions of place describe the position of a person, or thing in relation to another person or a thing. This is prepositions of place. Once again, what is prepositions of place? Prepositions of place describe the position of a person or a thing in relation to another person or a thing. This is the meaning of prepositions of place. Now, let us see what are the most common prepositions of place. What are the frequently used prepositions of place in our day-to-day life or day-to-day usage? What are those? On, beside, over, below, behind, in front of, under, opposite, between. These are the most common prepositions of place. Let us understand what are the meanings of these commonly used prepositions of place. Next one. Here is a list of most common prepositions of place and their meanings. First, let's come to on. What is the meaning of on? How to identify the position, and what kind of prepositions of place we have to use. On. What is the meaning of on? On means on top of. On top of means? Yes, touching the surface. For example, maybe on bench. The cat is on bench. What is the meaning of on bench? That cat is on the bench touching the surface, touching the surface of a particular object, touching the surface of a thing. That's why we call it on top of touching the surface. Here just look at this image. Here is, this is an object, this is an object. Here is another object is in circle. So touching the surface of this object. So this is on position. Let's come to beside. Beside. Beside means next to. Next to. Beside means next to. Object. This object is next to this box. Next one, below. What is the meaning of below? Below means movement starts from the ground. Below, movement starts from the ground. So this is the place of below. Just below to this box, below to this object. Next one, what is opposite? Opposite of something. Opposite means facing on the other side. Facing on the other side. You can easily identify the position or the place of opposite. So these two persons sitting here opposite. This is the opposite position. Remember, all of you. Don't get confused when you look at opposite or in front of. I'll clearly tell you in the next image. Next one. So this is in front of. Now let us discuss in front of. In front of means directly before. Directly before, not facing each other. This is directly before. You just look at this box and here there is an object before this box. So this is in front of. The place of this particular object is in front of this box. Next one, under. Under means below. You just imagine there are two objects. This object is just below this box. Under this box. This is the place. This is the place of this object. Next one, let's come to behind. What is behind? Behind means at the back part of a particular object, back side of a particular thing. Behind. So this object is behind this box. This is behind. Next one, over. What is the meaning of over? Over means above. What does it mean? Above without touching. On means touching the surface. Over means without touching the surface. That is the difference between on and the over. Over or above. Over or above. Over means above without touching, and it is used for vertically above. It is used for vertically above. Vertically above. Yes, let us try to use these frequently used prepositions of place in our exercise. Prepositions of place quiz. Shall we start? Okay. First one. There is a helicopter hovering dash our house. Guess the right option. Above our house, on our house, under our house. Under our house, meaningless. On our house, touching the surface. Oh my God, what happens? You can simply imagine. So what is the right option here? Above is the right option because without touching the surface, vertically without touching the surface. So what is the right option? Option A. A is the right option here. Next one, second one. Can I sit dash you at the movie theater? Can I sit around you? Beside you? Inside? No. Beside? Around? No. Maybe beside is the right option. Yes. Beside is the right option. Can I sit beside you at the movie theater? Right. Next one. Let's come to third option. Sign your name dash the dotted line. Sign your name dash the dotted line. What is the right preposition here? After, behind, or on? Yes, on, dotted, on the dotted line, not behind or not after. So this is dotted line. This is dotted line. So what is the right option? On is the right option. Next one. There is a beach dash my house. Guess. What is the right option here? In front of, on, under. On, meaningless. Under, What is next? Yes. In front of my house is the right option. Next one. Fifth one. The desks are dash the blackboard in the classroom. Guess the right option. Opposite the blackboard, between the blackboard, above the blackboard. Above the blackboard, no, possible, impossible. Between the blackboard, no. So what is the right option? Opposite the blackboard in the classroom. This is the right option. Okay. Now let's come to sixth one. There is a cat dash the table. In the table, behind the table, above the table. So here we can guess behind the table is the right option. There is a cat behind the table. Why not above the table? What is the meaning of above? Above means without touching the surface. It can't stand without touching the surface of that table. That's why this is a wrong option. So what is the right option? Behind. Again, let us use these prepositions. Let us try to describe this image by looking at all these images here. Let's use it. Let's give numbers in front of prepositions of place. What are the prepositions of place here? Among, behind, between, in front of, next to, on, over, under. So how many pictures given here in this image? 8. 8 pictures. First one. Where is the dog? Guess what is the option? Number 1. This is the first image, number 1. Number 1. Shall we give number 1 to in? Is it okay? Number 1. The dog is in the box. Okay. Next, let's come to second image. What is the second image? Where is the dog? The dog is second one here. The dog is on the box, touching the surface of this particular box. So we can use on. Let's come to third one. What is third image? Where is the dog here? The dog is in front of the box or behind the box? Yes, the dog is behind the box. Where is behind? Yes, here. Third. Let's give number 3. Next one. Fourth image. This is fourth one. Where is the dog? The dog is under the box. The dog is under the box. Let's give 4. Let's give number 4 to under. Here, yes. Okay. Next, fifth one. Let's come to fifth image. Where is the dog? Here, the dog is in front of the box. In front of the box. Shall we give number 5 to in front of the box? Yes, number 5 here in front of the box. Now, let's come to sixth one. Sixth image. Look at the sixth image. Where is the dog? Here the dog is, what are the remaining options? Among? No. Between? No. Next to? Over? Yes. Next to? Sixth one. Let's give 6 to next to. The dog is next to the box. Let's come to seventh one. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? Can you guess? Among? Between? Over? Yes, between. There are 2 boxes. One is here, another one is here. The dog is between these 2 boxes. Shall we come to 8th one? This is 8th image. Guess the right option. Where is the dog? Here the dog is among. Yes, 8th one. 8. Number 8. The dog is among these boxes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, where is the 7? 7 is between. I didn't give number here. Between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes. Now let's do one exercise given in your Cambridge PET textbook. So here, prepositions of place. Before you do this exercise, you please read the instruction given in your textbook carefully. So what is the instruction? Put the correct preposition into these sentences. Let's do first exercise. The man is sitting dash the woman. What is the right option here? By looking at this image, the man is sitting opposite the woman. This position indicates opposite the woman. So here once again, the man is sitting opposite the woman. Next one, let's come to B. The child is sitting dash the woman. We just look at this image. The child is sitting in front of the woman. Next one, the woman is sitting dash the child. So here just look at the woman. Where is the woman? The woman is sitting behind the child. So here is the child. The woman is sitting behind the child. The man, so here is the man. The man is sitting dash the woman. Where is the man? Where is the man here? The man is sitting beside the woman. The man is sitting beside the woman. Next, let's come to third one. The child is sitting dash the man and the woman. Look at the image. The child is sitting dash the man and the woman. What is the right option here? Yes, between the man and the woman. So this is all about prepositions of place. Yes, this is all about prepositions of place. Let's meet in the next session with another topic.